Two packages. Got one from eBay. I got one from Amazon. Let's open the package from eBay first. I know what both of these are, but you guys don't, but I do. You guys got any packages lately? If so, what did you get? Okay, cut through this. No, I can probably rip this. I want to get this on camera. There we go. I can cut through there and then... Okay, I'm not doing it. I did a very good job at this. I hate the way they pack this. I can't even open it. I'm not opening that one. Let's open this one. See how easy that was? Here, we got Hop from the Nintendo DS. Look, that was easy. So why does USPS have to be so extra with the packaging? It's too thick with these scissors. There we go. I got it from the bottom. Oh, face it that way. There we go. And we got... Well, I'm gonna beat up somebody. Okay, there we go. And then here we got something here. Oh, cool. I got a note. I might put this on the fridge. But in here we have SpongeBob versus the big one, Big Patty Cook-Off. Alright, there's my unboxing. That was almost a failure because I couldn't get this package from eBay open. But here's my 2 items. I plan to order more stuff. And when I do, more unboxing videos. But, yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.